Italian coins, Peruvian coins. Have you tried the normal coins? Oh my god. Promised myself never to try it again. Everybody on the internet, French coins, Italian coins, Peruvian coins, Indian coins, Philippine coins, whatever coins. Have you tried the normal coins? You haven't. Come closer. Come. Let's try my coins. Okay. Hey my loves, how are you guys doing? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Norma. If you have not subscribed, please do well to do that. Thank you. So let's get started with my coins. Use conditioner and water. Okay. This is my hair oil, my brand. So I said we are trying out Norma's course. And this is it. This is a Norma's course. So let's see what we have got. I can't wait. It's already giving you guys. Oh my god. This is so fine. What do you guys think? I think I should just, rock it like this for a while before adding any extension. Maybe. Because this is too cute. So let's start what we have come to this room to do. This is leave-in conditioner and water. I don't want to struggle. Nope. Oh my god. Oh my god. So we need to cut off. Here. comb out the tiny ones. This should make 3 or 2. Okay, 2 should be okay. Like everybody already knows what I want to do. So no need of. And we have it. Continue with the same thing. Clock it. Clock it. So guys, the hair I'm using is a fiber hair, is a packet hair. So you can get any good fiber hair. It has 16, 18 inches. It's a layered color. Did I say color? It's a layered length. So, but you can also get same length. You can get the one that has same length if you want. Just depend on the products you see and the one you prefer. So all I did was just plait my hair, add the extension, and use the last one at the ending part just to make it look more okay. You will remember when I made something like this and promised myself never to try it again. I'm trying it again. And this time is even worse because this one is taking more time than expected. Oh my God. You all should send help. Finally done. See guys, I got a cute brush, and when is the best time to use it if not now? Anyway, I feel like I just cut my hair. Time to slide the edges. Why are you good at doing edges? So worst edges ever. I'm supposed to apply what's it called? Nourishing spray. But I don't like the smell. That particular one smells so